Okay. Yes. Good afternoon, all. Yes. Good afternoon. I wanted to tell about last day. Did you remember? I just started to tell about data redundancy. Yes. What is data redundancy? Sometime I said, did you remember? There are like this type of flat database. We are calling this kind of thing flat database. Otherwise, Excel is something like a flat database. This kind of flat database, they are repeating same data again and again. You can see this class 9B repeating again and again. This is possible. Why? No need to repeat it like that, no? It's repeating again and again. Here, teacher's name, Mr. Brown, is repeating again and again. Department of Computer, repeating again and again. Teacher's phone. No need today. We can create another table. We can create another small table that's regarding to class detail. We can write class, teacher, department, teacher's phone, and class 9B, Mr. Brown, department computing, phone number plus 97, such that. Okay. We can enter this one for the one column, no? We can enter this thing for one row, sorry, one row. After that one, you can add for that table with this table. So if you are taken like that, it's very easy to what? Repeating and duplicating data. Okay, it is minimal amount of it can be reduced minimal amount of but repeating and duplicating data. That's called normally if you are taking this kind of this, normally taken less on data redundancy. I just said it. So this problem, keeping or duplicating information, we are taking less on data redundancy. Here the same. You can see it's repeating. So if Mr. Brown taught hundred of learners, the information should be right 100 times. So which would be very tiresome, taking more time. So this kind of problem can be lead update anomalies. So anomaly is something happened to but unexpected, unusual. So an update anomaly is when different instance, same data in a database become one inconsistent with different form because of only some of the instances are updated. They are not updated. It's update only some of data only. So this kind of thing, no needed. No, it's taken more time because unnecessary data. It's necessary, but unnecessary time. No, it's repeating again and again. Just wasted time. So such that thing is taken as what? What? Anonymity data. Yes, anonymity data. Otherwise, data redundancy. So that thing can be reduced by using database. That thing can be reduced using the database. That's the I wanted to tell. Okay. Can you write down this underline part quickly, please? Yes. Write down that underline part. We will move forward after that. Just write down. Yes. Okay, like that, you can write it. Okay, so this update anomaly is when different what instances of the same data in the database become inconsistent with the different from. So each others because of the there are having some of the instances are updated. So here the same thing. So no need to do like that. So if all learners left the class, their record were deleted, then the spreadsheet would be empty. If there are all the are late, what happened? The spreadsheet become empty. So what happened again? There are no class teacher details, but still they are having a class teacher, no? So it be empty, and we not lost vital information about Mr. Ahmad. Mr. Ahmad means actually that teacher. Mr. Ahmad detail also should be reduced, no? So this is known as what deletion level. The loss of the valuable data when other data is deleted is calling as what? Calling as deleted anomalies. Previously, it is having update anomaly. They are repeating same thing here. If you are deleted these three students, the all students, what happened? Automatically delete this data also, this data. So, but still that Mr. Ahmed, otherwise the class teachers would be there. So, if there are like deleting one data, otherwise it's deleted other data, it's calling as what deletion anomaly. So this is known as deletion anomaly, the loss of valuable data when other data is deleted. What is the loss of valuable data when other data is deleted is calling as what? Deleted anomaly. Okay. Shall we write down quickly? Write down that one. This is known as deletion anomaly when the loss of valuable data when other data is deleted. Write it down. That's called it deleted anomaly. Previously, that's have update anomaly. Here, they are having deletion anomaly right now. That two should be there. Update anomaly and deletion anomaly. And here you can create two tables like the teacher's data taken as a other table. So after that one, you can link them like here. That's the thing. Normally we are using database. Okay, that's for we are using database. So we can see that flat file has limitation. They are having some limitation when it become managing interdependent data. So however, we can represent some same species than information used in the relational database. So we need to split into single table, into two tables, sometime like that. The learner table and the teacher table. Then we need to create a relational between the two tables. That's shown on there. Okay, so you can see. So a plat file has limitation with it given what? Managing interdependent data. When they are managing interdependent data, they are having some limitation. Okay, they are having limitation. So we need to split single table into two tables a learner table and the teachers table. So then we need to create relationship between two tables. That's the thing that we can reduce this limitation. Okay, that's the thing we have to do for reducing limitation. Okay, please write down this underline part. So we need to split the single table into two tables. We can split single table into two tables, a learner table and a teacher's table. Then we need to create a relationship between that two table. Clear? Then you can create a relationship between that two table. Okay, write down that underline thing. Just quickly write. Like that, you can write it. Is okay. So single table split into. So we need to split single table into what? Uh, two or three tables like this. Okay. Otherwise, we after that one splitting the table, you can what? Create a relationship between tables. Okay. So you can notice that we have introduced new column in each table called teacher's ID. Now we are create new column for teacher's ID. They are having same thing repeated again and again, teacher's ID. So no need that one. We are create a new column with teacher's ID. That column will be helped to join. Ah, both table have teacher's ID. You can see now. You can see this thing we are calling foreign key later on. You can see both table has teacher's ID. Using that column, we can link together because both are having same what topic. So we can link these two tables together using that topic. Call it teacher's ID. That column, okay? They are having common column with two or three tables. Use that one, we can create interconnection between them. Okay, so notice that we introduce a new column in each table called teacher's ID. This column will help us join to link the two tables so that we do not lose teacher's information when they delete it from the first table. So the teacher ID in the teacher's table is primary key. Here teacher ID in the teacher's table can be a primary key. For that table, the teacher ID also used as a learner table. Like that. First of all, please write these two tables. Please, please write these two tables and draw this arrow, curved arrow. They are having a reason. I will tell later on. Okay. First of all, write down this table with arrow. They are having a relationship that called primary key, and also they are having a relationship that called foreign key. Very, very important. Two main topic in the databases, foreign key and the primary key. Okay, actually the like a heart of the databases. Yes. First of all, write down these two tables and draw this curved arrow for mention the link. First of all, write down. I give 5 minutes of time. Write down all this data and this learners table, teachers table like that, and draw this arrow. Okay, we will discuss about that one later on. First of all, write down. Please write quickly. Quickly write. Okay, write down these things. Okay, right. They are having a main important two keywords that calling primary key and the foreign key. I will explain that one later on. First of all, write down, please. Write these two tables. So you can see they are mentioned by this array. This arrow is mentioned for this same topic, the teacher's ID. Because of why? Why they are mentioned this same topic? They are having a reason. Can you think? Can you imagine that now? Imagine it. Yes. What are the any specification? Why they are growing a arrow between them? For only one topic, the teacher's ID. Why? They are having a proper reason. Yes. Yeah. Yes. We will discuss about that reason on next day. Okay. So they are having a special name called primary key as well as foreign key. They are having a special unique name that call it primary key as well as a foreign key. Primary key is a unique one. Foreign key is relational key to link two or three tables altogether. Okay, actually that who teacher's ID can be created a logical table like here. Okay, so we will discuss that one later on. Okay, very important that primary key and the foreign key and the relationship between them. That's very important when we discuss about tables. Okay, so we will discuss that one on the next day. So I think it's almost time up for today. We will discuss later on other day. Okay, especially with the primary key and the foreign key. We'll discuss them on later on. So I will wind down session for today. So see you on the next day. Okay, you can leave right now. Okay, see you. Okay, good afternoon.